Okay, guys, today we'll be talking about Jailbreak versus Mad City. Now, Mad City is, I don't really hate Jailbreak. Like, Jailbreak is still kind of good. I kind of like it. Mad City, all I ever wanted was, all I ever wanted was a flying car in Jailbreak. Guess what? They didn't give it to me. So, in Mad City, they got a flying car. And I kind of like it. So, yeah. And Mad City is kind of good. So, yeah. It's literally the best car. I'm going to actually show you guys where it actually is. Just, give me 1 minute. I'll actually show you where the car is. I am actually going to show you where the new car is. So if any of you guys do not know where the new car is, it's actually not that far. Literally all you gotta do is just literally all you gotta do is just go over here. Hello. Turn this way. Literally keep going straight. And then you turn this way. And you turn that way. See, look at that guy almost drafted into me. Okay. So there's the new car. Right here. As it is on fire. So new cards. $5 million. 5 million. So no, I don't really want to buy that. It's $5 million just for that car. And in Jailbreak, they don't actually have it. So yeah, in Jailbreak, they don't actually have that kind of car. The only thing that costs, the only thing that is expensive in Jailbreak is the new chopper and the troll bike and also the literally, and also the monster truck. That's literally what's new in Jailbreak. That's literally only costs $1 million. So yeah, and Mad City is more expensive cars, real more expensive. Imagine if Jailbreak in Mad City had a baby. I don't know, you become a worm or something. That's all I know that you'll become. Just a worm. Yeah. literally, all just for that. You, so, yeah, you're just gonna be watching me play Mad City today. Yeah. So, Jailbreak is still kind of fun, and so is Mad City. Like, I'm not hating on Jailbreak. It's not like I don't like Jailbreak anymore. I'm just saying it pretty much needs, like, mostly an upgrade. So, I don't really hate Jailbreak. I kind of like it a little. Like, I kind of like it, but Mad City's just so much better because I have my stuff. They have my stuff and Mad City that they do now. Like they don't have a missile chopper. And here they have a missile chopper. But anywhere else they don't have a missile. In Jailbreak they don't have a missile chopper. So like Mad City's fun, Jailbreak's fun. All of them are fun actually. So yeah. Well, mostly in Mad City, you can like you get to be a hero. Like in Jailbreak, you don't get to be a hero. You get to be a criminal or a police. So yeah, mostly get to do in Mad City. Um, no, I don't want that. Never mind. So yeah, like I'm not actually hating on Jailbreak. Jailbreak is actually kind of fun. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'm not actually being mean to Jailbreak or anything. So yeah. I gotta admit, Jailbreak's number one. So